Seattle. I'm sorry we missed your call. For constituent issues and media inquiries, please reach out to District Director Evelyn Chow at Evelyn. For all other questions, please email tammy.morales@seattle.gov and visit our website at seattle.gov/council/Morales. Thank you for your time and have a great day. Record your message at the tone. When you are finished, hang up or press pound for more options.
Oh yes, hi Tammy. Now we can come to what happened to me. So basically, what happened was, as I already introduced, I was recruited by Banora Research Institute to become a principal investigator at Banora Research Institute from Harvard Medical School in 1999 August. So at the time, my research study actually already started to reveal that a family of incredibly powerful molecules called the TGF-beta, they actually work through a system called a proteasome. Now, proteasome was considered to be a garbage dump in the cell by all the frontier researchers at the molecular and cellular biology level. But then the moment when I connected the very powerful family of proteins that regulate birth, aging, sickness, and death of our human body, this actually so-called garbage dump was also gradually being recognized as a very key regulator for very critical functions of the cell. So I recognize that the most important cell regulators, especially cancer suppressors, they actually work through proteasome. When people are under great stress, the proteasome, basically the system is jammed, and then the most incredible family of cancer suppressors, they cannot work. And that explains why people actually under great stress and eventually develop into cancer. As a matter of fact, all the system level diseases that modern medicine cannot cure, I just mentioned, like cardiovascular disease, cancer, diabetes, autoimmune disease, and neurodegenerative diseases. Also, during the COVID-19 period, these are considered to be immunocompromised patients. So it's the extended stress of the human spirit cannot handle stress, leading to breakdown of the entire human body system that is underlying the system level diseases. That's the true science of it, and that was something that I enlightened to. And then I gave a public speech in the year, at the time, in actually 2002, I gave a public speech. And so my speech was about my interest in studying Falun Dafa, ancient mind-body practice impact onto human immune system. So the moment I mentioned about the study, and also mentioned about the preliminary data that I already received from a researcher, also PhD scientist from Baylor School of Medicine, and her name is Dr. Lili Feng, and I was collaborating with her to study this phenomena. And then I start to share with the general public that my understanding is that the cure of cancer is not going to be coming from molecular medicine, but actually it's from maybe a very ancient wisdom of mind-body practice, Falun Dafa. So I mentioned the name of Falun Dafa. Chinese government, the persecutors of Jiang Zemin's gangs, immediately view me as a threat to its persecution, because it is trying to demonize Falun Dafa internationally, and as a renowned scientist, are telling people that Falun Dafa is a profound science of mind, body, and spirit. And we have data and scientific evidence to prove that's the case, and encouraging the international community of scientists to study that, and certainly call upon ending the persecution towards Falun Dafa practitioners inside of China. So I was viewed as a threat by Jiang Zemin gangs of persecutors in China, and I became blacklisted. And then what happened afterwards is the following. Jiang Zemin's gang ordered the former governor of Washington State, Gary Locke, to shut down my research program and eventually shut down my lab by pressuring the director of Banora Research Institute. At the time, it's Dr. Jerry Nippon. Okay. So in the same time, the Jiang Zemindian persecutor started to deceive my own family members, including my parents, inside of China, and to turn them into CCP agents to come to Seattle, station in my home, and report back.
The maximum length for a recording. Finish your recording after the tone.
So my own parents actually turned into CCP agents to station in my own Seattle home, and try to transform me and report back to the CCP persecutors. And eventually,
The maximum length for a recording. To send this message, press pound or hang up. To play it,